A learning management system, LMS, is a software application designed to deliver educational content, manage learning activities, and track learner progress. It provides a centralized platform for instructors to create, organize, and deliver courses, as well as assess student performance. LMSs offer various features like creating online courses, delivering multimedia content, facilitating communication between instructors and learners, conducting assessments and grading, and generating reports for monitoring progress. They benefit both traditional classrooms and online learning environments by enhancing the learning experience and streamlining administrative tasks. LMSs improve efficiency, accessibility, and flexibility in education, enabling learners to acquire knowledge effectively and educators to manage and measure their educational efforts efficiently.